Our short-term fuel trim is at 27. Definitely running lean. I am using some brake cleaner. It is the flammable kind. I'm gonna be careful not to spray it on the exhaust manifolds. Okay, some brake cleaner on that crack, and we'll see what happens to the engine. You can kind of hear it starting to run pretty rough. And our fuel trim's going down. It's actually going negative now. Short-term fuel trim is now at negative 10, negative 14. There it is. Okay. So that's just one quick, easy way to figure out where a vacuum leak is coming from.